Josiah Blizzard here. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here and you've joined me for another video. This one's gonna be really quick and simple, and I just want to share with you guys a quick tip to avoid maybe some headaches down the road. And I don't know if you've ever experienced this. Thankfully, I haven't had an issue with this before where, you know, my battery has died in the middle of shooting the ceremony, or my memory card suddenly becomes full in the middle of shooting the first look. Thankfully, that's never happened to me, but I could understand how it could and how that could potentially sneak up on me, and all of a sudden I'm out of memory space or my battery has died in the middle of an important moment. And so my tip for you guys today is to always have a battery on you and always have another memory card on you. Make sure that these things are on you at all times in case something is happening and you need to capture it and your battery dies and you don't have time to run back to your bag. You know, the bridesmaids are coming up the aisle to start the ceremony and all of a sudden your battery dies. You didn't even realize it was low and you don't have time now to run and grab a second battery. But if you can reach into your pocket, or even what we've been doing, as old school and as dated and retro as this sounds, we've been wearing some fanny packs to weddings recently, and these things are actually really incredible because they may not be stylish or fashionable, but they do hold a lot of good stuff. So memory cards, batteries, my phone goes in here sometimes. You can even, if you wanted to print out a shot list, you can put a shot list in here. You know, all of those things. You can put a whole bunch of stuff in this. If you're using a white balance filter, I've used an Expo disc for years, so you put that in there if you wanted. There's a lot of ways to use the fanny pack, so that's another thing that we've been using. But always have these on you in case something happens and you need to change a card or you need to change a battery and you're in the middle of an important event. So that's my tip for you guys today. Hope this was helpful. Please share this with a friend who might find it helpful as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.